Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
A girl saved the dog from a trap, but in the morning, the dog gave her a surprise. Hope for Paws has been a leader in helping to solve the stray dog crisis in Los Angeles. Always willing to go above and beyond, Hope for Paws saves dogs that others couldn't manage to or simply weren't willing to. The rescue team was recently in South Carolina, and when they heard about a dog suffering in a coyote trap in Lexington, they knew they had to help. Like hold traps are used as methods of population control of predators like wolves, black bears, and coyotes. The traps are notoriously cruel methods of killing animals, as they keep them painfully trapped until the hunter returns to kill them or they starve to death. Knowing how much pain the dog must have been in, Hope for Paws was fighting the clock to save her. Despite the clear suffering of the dog, the rescuers were threatened that any attempt to save the dog would result in an immediate arrest. Hope for Paws was certainly not about to give up and realized they needed to find a way in with Lexington Animal Control, so they sent out a desperate plea to their supporters. Hope for Paws asked their supporters if anyone had a relationship with Lexington Animal Control, and if they could talk to them about allowing them to rescue the dog. This was a delicate situation, and time was running out. Thanks to countless animal lovers, rescuers got the green light to go to the dog's location and start to gain her trust. As you can see in the video below, the poor girl was nervous and tried to escape. But the Hope for Paws team patiently worked with the dog, now named Hermione, and gained her trust. Hermione has since been taken to the vet to have the cruel trap removed. Look at Hermione now. She is now free, safe, loved, well-fed, and rested. She is now making the drive back to Los Angeles with Hope for Paws. If you would like to donate to Hermione's medical care, please consider making a donation to Hope for Paws. They could not do the miraculous work they do without the help of kind animal lovers like you. Please be sure to share this incredible rescue with all of the dog lovers you know. For more animal, earth, life, vegan food, health, and recipe content published daily, subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.